Hey you guys, thanks for stopping by. Well, today I wanted to share this video that I ran across, and it's a little bit, may I say, predictable once you see it, but disclaimer, he is okay. But check out what being under the influence and people egging you on what can happen.
Turn up! Yeah! Let's go drop it. Then we on the island with it. Go in. Hold on. Oh! Damn! That nigga just jumped! That nigga just jumped!
Look at that!
That nigga drowning! That nigga drowning! Get that nigga a life! Oh! I ain't no shit, man.
Bro, what the fuck?
That nigga on tip. Hold on. Hold on. Where he go?
I got a light right now. Dude, get on that from the other side.
Go, bro. Damn.
God.
Where he go?
Yeah.
Dog, he just lost his life, bro.
Oh, here we go. Here we go.
You good?
Get back.
He good?
You get back. What do you think we're doing? Get back.
Damn, my man just got out the river. He probably the one and only that survived. Damn, dog. Huh? Alright, hold on, let me just get him on the... My man just...
I need to look you back. I need to
Okay. I just want to get him on camera, dog.
Yeah, man.
I'm glad he breathing, though. I'm glad he breathing, man.
Everybody, can I get y'all to step behind there? Step behind there.
That's what them perks will do to you.
Thanks for stopping by. Yes.
And they about to arrest
It's a
him.
miracle. The man is okay.
They about to arrest the shit out of this dumb
Hopefully he
ass.
won't do this again. Please leave a comment below. Thank you.